If data center services for a particular company go down for any length of time, there can be significant damage to that organisation.
Capitaline did some research. There's around one data center every week that fails. These are not just individual component failures, this is downtime for the majority of the IT.
Recent surveys have suggested that each downtime costs an organisation nearly $750,000.
Fire is one of the most significant causes for data center failures. In our work auditing data centers, we find that cable installers who are going to refit cables or install new cables into an existing facility will take out fire stopping and not perhaps reinstate it.
These gaping holes in the fire barrier pose not only a major risk in terms of fire, they also compromise airflow management. The fiber-free Hilti speed sleeve was designed to meet the specific needs of dynamic cabling environments like data centers. We pre-engineered the fire stop into the device to prevent human error and tested it rigorously to the most stringent international standards. The simple twist function ensures easy access for frequent cabling changes. The inner liner twists closed again for a custom fit around the cables. This results in industry-leading airflow control and eliminates the need for specialized maintenance personnel. Since you don't have to get a fire stop specialist out every time you run a new cable, it saves you money in the long run.
We're interested in building a facility where we can adapt as there's growth in the requirements for IT services. We want to ensure that when that work is complete, that we have the same integrity from a fire perspective and from a security perspective.
Clearly, any organisation that hasn't undertaken fire suppression and detection and mitigation actions is not going to be in business for very long, because they're only going to be in business until their first fire.